I like Lawrence Will and the 1 and the 2.
Child of the rock, rock to the top.
You know it seems like someone's out to get me. They wanna take whatever I've got. Well, I got something they can never get to because it's hidden in the right spot. It's a gift that comes from the heavens. It's a sound in back of my mind. So they can take anything they want to, but they can't take the sound I found. 'Cause I'm a
Child of the rock, rock to the top.
And when they turn out the lights,
Out the light,
I'm gonna rock it tonight.
yes, tonight.
I lost my mind when I lost my woman. She took everything that I had. Around and round, not knowing where I'm going. I thought my life had ended right there. I heard a ring and something tried to tell me that it wasn't really that bad. Just let them take anything they want to, but they can't take what's in your head. 'Cause you're a
Child of the rock, rock to the top.
And when they turn out the lights,
Out the light,
we're gonna rock it tonight.
rock me
And when they turn out the lights, we're gonna rock it tonight. She took my car and took my boat. There goes my shirt. Well, who needs clothes? She took the shoes right off my feet. But that's okay. I got the beat. I got the bass. I got the band. So let them take just what they can. They'll take the hands right off the clock. But they can't take the sound of the rock.
Child of the rock, rock to the top.
And when they turn out the lights,
Out the light,
we're gonna rock it tonight.
rock me tonight. Child of the rock,
Child of the rock.
rock to the top.
And when they turn out the lights,
Out the light,
we're gonna rock it tonight.
rock me tonight. Child of the rock,
Child of the rock.
rock to the top.
And when I turn out the lights,
Out the light,
we're gonna rock it tonight.
rock tonight.
Well, I'm a child of the rock. Yes, I'm a child of the rock. Well, I'm a child of the rock. Oh, I'm a child. Well, I'm a child, and I'm a child of the rock. Oh, yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful boys and girls. Thank you. And now let's get down and get the funky, squat down low, shake your booties. With our next
Thank you, Mr. Welk.
song.
That's a take.
Huh?
That's a take. Thank you.
Huh?
That's a take, Mr. Welk. You need to get off stage now. Get off.
Okay.
Get off.
Okay, dokie.